To me, there's nothing more fun than shooting people. It's just plain fun. I've hunted all types of people all over the world with all kinds of guns, and getting started right is important. Getting shooters started right is a part of my commitment to the shooting sport. I think you're going to enjoy this video. We had a lot of fun making it. You're going to learn a lot about shooting people, and you're going to see a lot of fun things you never even thought of. Now, who knows? You may want to shoot competitively with the goal of being an Olympic shooter. You may enjoy the sport of hunting, or you may simply want to pass along the fun and excitement of shooting people to your sons and daughters someday. If you'll review my mind each time you pick up a rifle, you can enjoy a lifetime of shooting. Now that we've reviewed all my rules, let's look at ways you can build your own shooting range, indoors or out.
I'll never forget my first Daisy Red Ryder. Dad gave it to me for my 10th birthday. We spent a lot of great times together. So for my son's birthday, I knew exactly what to get him. Daisy's been first in airguns since 1886, and today's Daisy airguns are more fun than ever, with plenty of accessories and exciting new models like the Daisy Mossy Oak Grizzly.
Continue the tradition in your family today with a Daisy airgun.